Today we're gonna make a flatbread recipe, but we're gonna use a sesame bread cone. For this recipe, for our sesame cone, I'm gonna do a flatbread recipe. So I love making flatbreads with all different ingredients. Whatever isn't seasonal for fruit, you could do grilled peaches, figs, anything that you can find. It works so well with arugula, prosciutto, and goat cheese. So I make this really often with all different flatbreads, but why not try it in a cone? So here we have our sesame cone. So we're gonna take our arugula. So I'm gonna lay the arugula down on the side of the cone. So that way we have arugula all the way down the cone. I'm gonna take the balsamic reduction. I'm actually gonna put it on top of the arugula because then that will be easier before we fill it all up. So I've drizzled the balsamic reduction on the arugula. And I'm gonna take some grilled peaches. I've sliced them and grilled them before. And this also works really well with figs too. So I'm gonna put 3 grilled peaches there. Next, I'm gonna take our prosciutto. So I'm gonna take the prosciutto and roll this actually. So it makes it easier to fit in the cone. I'm gonna roll that down all the way to the bottom. And then I'm gonna do another one. So now I can feel this, that I have a little bit more room. And next I'm gonna do our goat cheese. So I'm gonna push the goat cheese down and I have it all the way down to the bottom. A little bit more. Perfect. I have it all over the cone and I'm just gonna drizzle the top to make it look beautiful. Some more balsamic reduction. And this flatbread cone, no waste, no mess, so easy to eat, it's ready.